Soft whispers of night under a starry sky. Gentle waves lap against the shore. Deep bass thumping like a peaceful heartbeat. Piano notes dance lightly, weaving through the air. Swaying palm trees rustle in the warm evening breeze. Carrying echoes of the sea, a melody rises, lifting spirits, embracing tranquility. Lickly layered harmonies unfold, enveloping the night. Dreams awaken with every pulse, igniting the stars' glow. Soft percussion flow, guiding the rhythm of this serene journey. Melodies gently fade like the moon's light, as waves settle into a whisper. Peace burst takes place, the last notes drift softly like memories in the air, leaving behind the essence of a tranquil night. While the stars dim, holding secrets of the sea. Soft whispers of night under a starry sky. Gentle waves lap against the shore. Deep bass thumping like a peaceful heartbeat. Piano notes dance lightly, weaving through the air. Swaying palm trees rustle in the warm evening breeze. Soft percussion flows, guiding the rhythm of this serene journey. Melodies gently fade, guide the rhythm of this serene journey. Melodies gently fade like the moon's light, as waves settle into a whisper. Peace takes its place. The last notes drift softly like memories in the air, leaving behind the essence of a tranquil night. While the stars dim, holding secrets of the sea.